Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the objective. What content, for whom, and why. Once done, collect assets, images, clips, notes, stats, and a single style guide to keep voice consistent. Next, pick your AI stack. Chatgpt for drafts, a separate model for images or audio. Start with a short prompt that specifies format, tone, and length, then request an outline. Make sure to set constraints, word count, brand terms, and any forbidden topics, so the model creates useful, controlled output immediately. You use the outline to drive focused prompts for each section: title, intro, subheads, and calls to action. Once you get a draft, ask the model to refine tone, shorten or expand sections, and produce variations. Iterate until clarity and voice match your guide. Simultaneously, generate supporting assets. Image prompts with composition notes, captions, and SEO metadata. Make sure to run a readability and factual check. Correct any hallucinations before moving to layout and visual design. You now polish content, fact-check claims, enforce brand voice, and ensure accessibility, alt text, clear headings, and concise CTAs. Once clean, format assets to platform specs, resize images, embed captions, and schedule posts. Make sure to keep a changelog and reversible source files. If something goes wrong, wrong facts, odd image artifacts, or tone drift, regenerate the affected section with stricter constraints, provide examples, and use model edits rather than full rewrites to preserve work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.